As you can hear, we're in a busy, noisy location. So corporate customers, from an OH&S perspective, what would they like to see? Feet on the ground, safety first, gutter cleaning safely without ladders. Follow us through. We're going to have a look. We've got a very challenging task here. Probably need a whipper slipper to start, and you'll see that the grass coming out of the gutter is quite high. We have the portable petrol-powered interceptor, which we're going to use the Elite poles to carry out this gutter cleaning task. We'll also have the survey cam set up. We're going to give you a glimpse into the monitor to have a look in relation to surveillance at the aspect of this gutter which is in quite disrepair. So just getting a glimpse camera through the survey cam, and check out so we have pine needles, gum leaves, everything here today. Reach kit heights with the interceptor are 6 to 9 and 12 metre. So they enable you to, we can go down the downs pipe there, they enable you to reach heights that would normally require elevated platforms, booms, scissor lifts, scaffolding. So we can only guess when this gutter was cleaned last. And I can hear and feel the temperature of the tubes changing. And I can see it's wet up there, but I can feel the temperature changing, which is an indication that we've got a bit of moisture up there. So we're in a wet environment. And you can feel the airflow. You can hear the vacuum. We're going to be relying on this vacuum release and vacuum dump once we can clock onto some of these larger bits of grass. Only about 4.5 metres up. See if we can pull this bit out without it breaking. Vacuum dump's pretty effective. We can get rid of that to the ground. So, in relation to your business plan, your strategy, having your swims in place, your jars in place, when you're tendering for particular jobs like this, there's going to be a main difference. And if you can prove that you can do it safely and efficiently from the ground, it'll be a big positive. That one just cleared. So your initial cleans and your infrequent cleaning is going to be charged out differently in regards to tackling these jobs if they were quoted at. If it's on a contractual basis and you're looking at many sites, you probably find you're going to average out. Google Maps, Near Maps will give you a bit of an indication, save you a bit of legwork in relation to getting bird's eye view of some of these sites if you need to quote. Professional versions of maps will be more accurate. So that was a true showcase in relation to garden in a gutter. So with a portable powered Honda system, the Interceptor from Skyvac, we're able to get in, get out and perform this gutter cleaning job safely and efficiently. If you'd like to see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, which is Blue Tongue Industries. So many different tasks under that YouTube channel in relation to gutter cleaning and vacuum systems, and also our Ionic Systems water-fed pole RO cleaning systems, whether windows, externals, vehicles, aviation. Check information out about Skyvac at skyvacaustralia.com.au. Appreciate you watching. Stay safe.